The 2026 Brabus G Cabrio is one of the most extreme, most exclusive, and most attention-grabbing machines ever built. Based on the Mercedes AMG G63, Brabus has transformed the legendary G-Wagon into a fully open-top luxury SUV with only 50 units being produced worldwide. This alone makes it one of the rarest modern G-Class variants to ever exist. Under the hood sits a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 tuned to deliver 800 horsepower and a massive 1,000 Nm of torque. All that power is sent through a 9-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels, giving this convertible SUV serious performance credentials. From the outside, the G Cabrio demands attention immediately. It keeps the iconic boxy shape of the G-Class, but Brabus has widened it, sharpened it, and loaded it with carbon fiber everywhere. The front end has deeper air intakes, a more aggressive grille, and a redesigned hood. The sides are fitted with wide fenders and massive wheels that fill the arches perfectly. But the star attraction is the roof. With the push of a button, the soft top folds away in around 20 seconds, leaving the entire cabin open to the sky. To keep everything strong and safe, Brabus reinforced the body with high-strength steel and carbon fiber supports. Even with the roof gone, the SUV still feels solid and planted, which is something hardly any convertible SUV can claim. Inside the cabin, Brabus pushes craftsmanship to its highest level. The interior is covered with rich, hand-stitched leather, detailed perforations, and carbon fiber accents. Every surface feels premium, every switch clicks with intention, and the level of personalization is nearly endless. The seating layout stays similar to the traditional G-Class with comfortable front seats and a rear bench, but the quality has been elevated massively. When the top is down, the cabin still feels clean and uncluttered thanks to the roof mechanism folding neatly behind the rear seats under a custom cover. This is luxury motoring in its boldest form. In terms of comfort, the G Cabrio performs far better than its wild personality suggests. The structural reinforcements allow it to maintain a stable, rigid feel even without a fixed roof. Road noise is surprisingly well managed when the top is up, and the redesigned soft top keeps wind out effectively. The driving position is high and commanding, just as you expect from a G-Wagon, and the suspension manages to balance firmness and comfort despite the added weight and power. It is still an off-roader at heart, but one that pampers you with every mile. When it comes to performance, this SUV is a true monster. With 800 horsepower on tap, it launches from 0 to 100 km/h in around 4 seconds. That is sports car territory, and it is shocking for a machine this tall and heavy. The top speed is electronically limited to 240 km/h. The V8 soundtrack is deep, aggressive, and unmistakably Brabus, but the active exhaust system lets you tone it down when you want a calmer drive. Despite being open-top, the handling remains impressively controlled thanks to over 500 newly engineered components that strengthen and tune the vehicle. In conclusion, the 2026 Brabus G Cabrio is more than just a car. It is a statement. It blends outrageous performance, extreme luxury, and convertible freedom into one of the rarest SUVs on the planet. It is loud, bold, and unapologetically extravagant. For the few lucky owners who get one, this is not just transportation. It is an experience, a display of craftsmanship and engineering taken to the limit. The G Cabrio stands as one of the wildest creations Brabus has ever built, and it proves once again why the G-Wagon remains a legend.